Hi guys, welcome to Epsons Pro. Welcome to another tutorial. In this channel, we help you improve your Shopify layout with code and with DIY do it your own tutorial. So in this video, I'll show you guys how you can add full width collection banner to your Shopify store. So currently in Shopify, when you add a collection banner, it looks like this. So as you can see, that's our collection title. I'm on all products collection page, and that's our collection banner image. So after following this tutorial, you will have it showing up like this, which is in full width. Also, you can add a title as well, which is another method, which will look like this. So you can either do that with some CSS code, and I'm also going to share another thought where you can do it via customize by adding a new section. So if you want to learn how to add this full width collection banner, please keep watching this video. Don't forget to comment in the video below, subscribe this channel, like, because when you do that, I get motivated to create more valuable content for you guys. Okay guys, so let's get into it and let me show you how you can add this stylish full width collection banner to your Shopify store. And also, if you notice, I have this % discount showing up on the discount badge if you want to learn how to do this, because by default Dawn theme only shows sales badge, and if you want to learn how to implement this, I have created a video on this. You will find the link in the description below. Also, I recently created a video on how you can create a private collection, meaning only specific customers of yours will be able to access that collection, and those products which is in this private collection will not be visible to any other page. So if you want to learn how to create this private collection, check out the video link in the description below. Okay, let's start implementing that, where I will add this full width image banner on your collection page. By the way, the reason why I'm creating this video is that we have received requests from you guys, by our subscribers, from the comments that you guys are facing implementing full width image banner. So in this video, I'm going to show you two methods how to do that. First method is to do that via CSS code, and the other method is to do that via customized settings. And let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to open my backend of the Shopify store on a new tab. There's the backend of store, and click on online store. And that's a theme where I've already added the code, and as you can see, it's a lot of different type of codes I have added in the theme. By the way, I have recently created a tutorial on how to add autoplay video to your Shopify as a banner. As you can see on my homepage, it looks pretty nice. By default, Shopify doesn't have that section. So in Shopify, the video section does not autoplay. You'll have to manually click on the play button, and it looks a little weird if you add it in the banner. So if you want to learn how to add autoplay video without YouTube on your Shopify store by creating a new section, you will find a link somewhere on the screen and in the description. Okay, we are implementing full width image banner on our collection page, and I'm going to do that. And in order to do so, I'm going to install a fresh Dawn theme first. So that's our Dawn theme. I'm going to install that. Click on add button here, and our Dawn theme is installing. Meanwhile, this Dawn theme is installing, if you are watching this video for the first time, or if you are new to setting up your Shopify store, you can avail a great opportunity where you can set up your Shopify store with just $1 per month. Yes, you heard it right. You can set up your own Shopify store with just $1 per month if you sign up via the link in the description. So don't forget to sign up via the link in the description. You'll be getting this opportunity of signing up for just $1 per month. Okay, I have the latest Dawn theme installed now. I'm going to publish this one. Click on publish, and then click on publish again. Okay, now let's visit our collection page. I'm going to close all the old tabs and going to click on preview to preview our collection page. Okay, so click on all products. So that's how currently our collection page looks like. Initially, we'll add image banner to our collection page, and how you can do that is simply go to backend of your Shopify store, open up products. I'm going to open that on a new window, on a new tab, and then click on collections. And that's my all product collection page, right? So click on that. And here you can add your collection banner image, and you can simply click on edit, change this image, or if you don't have any image for your collection banner, it will show up like this. All you have to do is just click on add image and then select whatever image you want to add as a banner, and then click on save. And after adding the image banner here, you'll have to enable it via customize settings. So I'm going to go to themes and then click on customize. I'm going to open that in the new tab. That's how your customize will look like. Click on this drop down, click on collection here, and then click on default collection. If you don't have multiple collection templates, you will see default collection template. You can also assign multiple collection templates and multiple templates. I have created multiple videos regarding the templates. So if you're not aware of that, check out some of the videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, that's our collection page template. I'm going to change this view to all product collection page. So that's how our all product collection page looks like. And that's our collection banner. So simply click on that and enable that by checking it. So that's how by default your collection banner looks like. So that's how the default behavior of the collection banner is, and it doesn't look good, right? Now, what I'm gonna do, I'll first add some CSS code in order to make it full width, and let's do that. So go back to your customize, open the code editor, click on these three small dots. Sorry, not this one, this one. Click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. Alternatively, you can also go to themes, and from here click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. Before editing the code, guys, make sure to have a backup of your theme. Create a duplicate in case you mess up anything and you are not tech savvy or not code savvy, then it's not good for you. So you should have a backup. Okay, in here we will search for component collection. So that's our CSS file where we will be adding some code. Click on that file, scroll down to the bottom and add some CSS code. And that's our CSS code. Don't worry about the code. I'll put the link of this code block in the description below so you guys can easily copy and paste. So I just copied the CSS code and I'm pasting it on the bottom of my component-collection-hero.css file. Okay. After adding the code, click on save. And now if I go to my collection page and hit refresh, that's how the banner looks like with the full width. Let's check it on mobile. Should look on mobile as well. Yep, looks good on mobile version as well. But what if you want to add a title to this banner? Because what we did actually with the code is removed the title because it was taking half of the screen. But if you want to add a full width image banner, including the collection title without the code, you can do that as well. Let me show you how. So let's go back to customize, and that's our collection template. So what you can do here is from template, just hide this for now. And I'm going to take a new section by clicking on add section. And from here, I'm going to add image banner. And let's scroll down to the top. Okay. Okay, now I don't need buttons here. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just hide the button by clicking on this eye icon. And I'm going to hide the description. And I'm going to change the image by clicking on image banner here and then selecting the first image. Okay, select the first image. So I've already uploaded the collection banner image here. You can upload it by clicking on add images button here. Click on done. And now if I hit save and go to my collection page, it shows this image banner text. And if I open up any other collection, it will show the same text. Now, in order to display the text dynamically, meaning it should show the title of that specific collection, what I'm going to do, I will add a dynamic title. And how can I do that? So that's my template again. And I'm going to click on this image banner text block here. And then remove this text. Click on this connect dynamic source icon. And then here I have title showing up. Now, as you can see, it's automatically displaying the title of the specific collection where I am. I'll click on save. And now if I change the collection preview from here, now currently I'm on all products collection page. Let's change it to best selling products here. You can see that it's automatically showing the collection which I'm currently previewing. So that's the second method, guys. And now let's check it out on the mobile version. In our mobile version, the heading is showing below the banner, which looks completely fine. Cool. So that's it for the tutorial, guys. If you do like, let me know in the comments below. If you don't, let me know in the comment below. Until next video, have a great day.